All right, guys, I'm back. Ontarian Hawkins here, Passive Income Guru. The title of this, and I'm going to make this short and sweet to the point, okay? The title of this is Make Sure They Teach You Step-by-Step Trading. Again, make sure they teach you step-by-step trading. There's a lot of people here lately that are jumping on Forex. Big kudos to everyone who's starting the journey. But I want to let you know that a lot of these so-called recruiters out here are just trying to recruit you to build their business, okay? They're not interested in trading. They're not interested in any of that, okay? But me personally, you guys have seen me time and time again show you that I do trade. I'm not out to build a team or anything like that. I am more interested in the actual skill itself, the skill of trading. Once you learn this skill, guys, you can write your own paycheck, okay? So let me just kind of run you through why I'm in this trade, okay? This is the things that they need to be teaching you, okay? This is a trade that I'm in right now for a sell. This trade, the pair that I'm trading right now is US 30, okay? It is US 30. Now, the reason I'm in this trade is this. I'm going to go to the daily chart, okay? This is the daily chart. What does that mean? That means each candle you see here, that's one day, that's one day, that's one day, that's one day, okay? That means it's a higher time frame. And when you trade on the higher time frame, it's going to give you, well, not trade on a higher time frame. When you look at the higher time frames, it's going to paint the picture of where the market is going to eventually go. And what you want to do is when you see the actual move on a higher time frame like the daily, you drop down to the hour chart for entry. You see that perfect entry right here, as you can see, because now this long yellow line right here is the moving average. It's the 50 moving average. So I actually got in. I was waiting on this to happen, okay? Trading is not hard, guys. It's just a matter of patience and knowing what you're looking at. I was waiting for this move to come down, for price to come down, break this 50 moving average, retest, and this is exactly what it did, and now it's going to continue down. Why? Let's go back to the daily chart. It's telling us a pitch. It's giving us a story. So it's divergence on a daily time frame. We have divergence. All right. Divergence means that the price will show that it's going up. But however, if you look down at the RSI, price is eventually going to go down according to the RSI. Okay, that is called divergence. That's in a nutshell of what it is. So when you see divergence is one of my #1 ways of noticing where the market is going to go. I love divergence. I love divergence because it gives me confirmation of where the market is going to go. As you can see, again, this is the daily time frame. We have the structure right here. Okay, we have price respecting this structure here, and the real story is down here. Okay, the real story is down here. You go to the daily time frame. Okay, and we have a nice drop coming. So that's my time, guys. I want to let you know I do trade. You want to be with those. You want to join those who are going to teach you how to trade. Okay. And, what I'm involved with is not so much of building downlines. We're going to actually teach you how to trade. So I'm going to leave a link here in just a little bit so you can get access to what we do. And get this, we also have a way for you to do this hands-free automatically, okay? Forex trading hands-free. We have a nice tool on the back end inside of the membership that will teach you this. That will actually not only teach you step-by-step how to trade, but if you want to do it hands-free, you can too, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. God bless.